Are you trying to get a guy addicted to you? You are not the only girl who is trying to do it. However, we often see girls making mistakes as they try to get a man addicted to them. To make sure that you don't do such a mistake, we will share a list of 9 things that you can do to get a man addicted to you. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. 1. Don't be fully open. Let's start with the basics. You should not be a chitty-chatty lady in front of a guy and be open. Instead, you will need to keep some mystery around you. This is a proven tip to create curiosity about you within the mind of a guy and get that person to be attracted to you. 2. Keep the relationship interesting. A guy will get addicted to you only if he finds your companionship interesting. This is why you need to keep the entire relationship exciting and fun at all times. For example, you may initiate sexual thrills or surprise him by visiting his workplace. 3. Set clear standards. You shouldn't lose yourself when you are trying to get a guy into your life. This is why you should set clear standards. When you have clear standards, you will not look like you are approaching him out of desperation. 4. Become his biggest fan. If you can be understanding and supportive, you will be able to become his biggest fan. His life can be challenging at times. If you can support him during those times, you can easily create a positive impression. 5. Pay a lot of attention. When you pay more attention to him, you can end up with creating a conducive atmosphere. This is where he will be able to share his feelings with you. When he starts sharing his problems with you, you have done most of your work and you can be proud of your efforts. 6. Play hard. This may not sound like the most ideal thing to do. However, this trick has delivered amazing results to most girls out there. Men usually love the prospect of fighting to earn love and affection of a woman. However, you should do the same as well. Don't think twice before you send a text or call a guy that you are interested in. 7. Appreciate him. No matter how he is, you will need to appreciate him. Always keep in mind that the relationship is not just about you. You should be mindful about him and appreciate what he does. 8. Be aware of the things that interest him. If he is supporting a football team, you should do your own research and get to know about it. Then you will always have facts to get into an interesting conversation. Such conversations can eventually develop a strong relationship between you two. 9. Always be happy. You need to show him that he will always be able to have peace of mind around you. If you are not always happy, that's a turn off. Now you are aware about 9 tips on how to get any guy attracted to you. Just focus on them and you will love the results coming your way. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.